Welcome back to another unboxing video. Now today we are going to be unboxing Misery in English because Better World ripped me off and gave me a Spanish version. So yeah, I have Misery and a board game actually, so we're changing it up a little bit. And I believe the board game is Escape from Iron Gate. And so we ordered this board game. We heard about it from a family member, and we thought we'd try it out. So let's go ahead and let's unbox the board game first, because it's going to take longer to unbox. So let's just... I apologize if this takes a really long time to unbox. I should have thought about this before I started opening. Here it is. Escape from Iron Gate. Now supposedly it's a prison break party game, so that definitely sounds fun. See the back there. Looks like a lot of fun. I enjoy playing that with my family. Ages 13 plus, 45-60 minutes, 3 to 8 players, so you can have a lot of people playing it at one time. Definitely looks like a lot of fun. Now let's get to Misery. Yes, here it is, everybody. Oh. I actually like this cover a lot better, even though the other one was in Spanish, but this just looks like a nicer book in a general sense. Oh, yes. Look at that. Look at that cover. Look how menacing that cover looks. Misery. And a picture of Stephen King on the back. So, yeah. And I'll probably take the dust jacket off of it to read it. There's the dust jacket. It's one of his shorter books, but still medium-sized book, but definitely going to be a good book. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. See you next time.